Thank you for calling Golden Kitchen Restaurant. This is Princess speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, Princess. I'd like to make a reservation for dinner.
Certainly. How many people will be dining with us?
There will be 6 of us.
Oh, 6 people. May I have your name, please?
It will be under the name of Sunshine Dalmento.
Thank you, Miss Dalmento. And what's your contact number?
Oh, okay. It's 09-123-456-789.
Thank you. Now, what time and date were you hoping to dine with us?
We'd like to come on Saturday, the 9th around 8 p.m.
Let me check the availability for 6 people on Saturday, March 9 at 8 p.m. Please stand by. Yes, we do have a table available at that time.
Perfect!
Great! Do you have any special request?
Oh yes, we'd prefer a table near a window if possible.
Excellent! We'll do our best to accommodate that. And how would you like to pay? Will it be a cash or a credit card?
Oh, credit card.
Okay, we'll have that. Is there anything else I can assist you with today, Miss Dalmento?
There is. A 3 bottle of red wine, that's all.
Okay. Just to confirm, your reservation is for 6 people under the name of Sunshine Dalmento at 8 p.m. on Saturday, March 9, 2025. Your contact number is 09-123-456-789. You'd prefer a table near a window and you have additional request, which is a 3 bottle of red wine. And with that, you'll be paying with a credit card. Is everything correct?
Yes, that's all correct. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Miss Dalmento. We look forward on welcoming you to the Golden Kitchen Restaurant. Have a lovely day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.